this is the mini S&P, the chart I'm looking at. So here we see that this morning we came all the way down here towards the pivot point. This is a pivot point, and here we are finding some first support. In the mini S&P, I'm using 8 tick range bars, and you all have the day trading starter package, do you? Because in the day trading starter package, I explain the settings. So if you have watched the video of the Seahawk strategy, you know what markets I'm looking at with what settings and why I like to use these range bars here. So if you do have the day trading starter package, you also have exactly this charting software, and you can right now see the same thing that I see here right now. I also brought up the trading platform here, and this is the trading platform that's also included in the day trading starter package. So this is the trading platform where we'll be trading the mini S&P here this morning. So what I'll do for you here this morning is that we'll trade just one contract, maybe two contracts, okay? Because many traders that are new to trading start off with one or two contracts, which is perfect. You know this according to the 10 steps. How to become a trader. You should start small and then grow big and use money management. So we don't need to trade 20, 30, and 50 contracts here. Let's start with one, and I don't know. If you're trading 10 contracts, you just multiply the results that you see here this morning by 10. It is that easy. Okay. So we will see when the market opens here, and also you know that I like to color everything on the chart. So this is where we will see this yellow shaded area when the markets open. And this is when we want to try to attempt the first trade, then according to the Seahawk strategy, and see if we can squeeze a profitable trade in here. We never know, but want to give it a try. All right. So here, this red number tells me that right now we are trading 1.5 points below yesterday's closing price, which is right here. So we are around the flat line, okay? So 1.5 points below the closing price of yesterday, which was right here. And there's another question about the tick value of the mini S&P. For the mini S&P, each tick that you see here for one contract, it is $12.50. $12.50 here for each tick that you see. So when we're moving up from 78 3/4 to 88, and you're trading one contract, you're making or losing one tick depending on whether you went short or long or short. And you'll see the profit and loss here calculated in real time. For the bonds, it is $31.25. Guys, I really, really, really recommend, if you do not know what I'm doing here, that you watch the Seahawk strategy video in the day trading starter package. You all have received the day trading starter package. We have made this available 4 weeks ago. It's free. Okay, so you can download it from our website. Okay, and the markets are opening here, and we are trying the first trade, going short at 10.88 3/4 and trying to go long at 10.86 1/4. So we are trying a Seahawk trade here as the first trade, and you should all be familiar with the Seahawk strategy here, because this is included in the day trading starter package. If you have any questions how to access it, where to get it, where to find the video, post it here in the chat, right? And with me in the room are my co-moderators, Raleigh, Mandy, and Stephanie, and they will let you know how to access it, where to find it. So no worries, it's all there. Good. I think we can get the clock out of the way. We don't need that anymore for now, because we know that the markets are open here right now. See, the chart is now colored in yellow. This means my preferred trading time. And we are looking at 8 tick range bars in the mini S&P. So markets, as expected, open choppy. So we are I want to bring up the clock on my other screen. We're 1.5 minutes into trading. Market hasn't found direction yet. It's trading right there where we opened 90 seconds ago. So this gives us an indication that we might get a good Seahawk trade in here right now. We are still 2 ticks away from a possible fill, going short at 88 3/4. And again, the rules of the Seahawk strategy are explained in detail on the video in the day trading starter package. There we are. We are filled according to the Seahawk trade, and the trading platform automatically placed my profit target at 88 1/4 and my stop loss at 1090 3/4. So right now we are short one contract, so we will make money if the market is moving down here now again. We'll lose money if the market is moving up. So we'll see what happens. We never know what happens. We're just trying to follow our trading plan here. And for those of you who attended our 5-hour day trading workshop 2 weeks ago, you know exactly how our trading plans look like. So in a 5-hour day trading workshop 2 weeks ago, we have shown you all our trading plans in detail. I've shown you what we do, how we trade the strategies, what strategies we trade, what markets we trade. And while we are watching the emini S&P here, we can also look at the bonds and see if we have a possible Seahawk trade here that we could throw in the bonds. And this looks pretty good, so we can try to go short here at 1026. 02, 26 at 126 and 2:30 seconds. All right, hooray, we are already out of our emini S&P trade. Have you seen this? The market moved in our favor. Let's go back to the emini S&P. The market moved down. We got out of this trade, $25 per contract in the pocket right now. First trade worked out. So far, so good. And again, if you're trading 10 contracts, then obviously this would be $250. And again, in the day trading starter package, I also included a video on money management where you know that you could double your trading account in less than a year if you only try to make $100 per week per contract.